Finding the best product that fits your budget can be a challenge, however. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best vinyl cutter for home use from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. 28-inch Musketer Titan 2 Vinyl Cutter. This Titan 2 vinyl cutter plotter from Musketer is undoubtedly one of the best affordable vinyl cutters you can choose to start a home-based vinyl cutting business, or even you can use it in the home for any personal usage. The machine features durable construction that can withstand rigorous use, and come with a digital servo motor that makes it more accurate, quieter, faster, and able to cut through thicker materials. The machine has a maximum cutting speed of 37 in sec, which is enough to complete large jobs in a timely way. Positive side of this product: fast and quiet operation. Durable aluminum alloy construction. Number 2. Silhouette Cameo 4. If you're looking for the best budget vinyl cutter, then the Silhouette Cameo 4 might be all you need. Just like the Cricut vinyl cutter, the Cameo vinyl cutter sits on the desk like a sleek, gorgeous printer and can cut and draw at the same time on a wide variety of materials. It also has Bluetooth functionality for sending and receiving a job from your PC, Android, and iOS devices. This made it the first Silhouette vinyl cutter with wireless capabilities. This Silhouette vinyl cutter can cut different materials with various thicknesses, up to 3 mm, thanks to its auto blade feature that helps to adjust the blade depth to match your cut job materials. It has a max cutting size of 12 by 24 with a cutting mat, and can cut longer materials, up to 10 feet, which is a plus, so that you can make banners, decals, and vinyl sings without being restricted to small designs as you would with the Cricut Maker. Positive side of this product: support a wide variety of materials. Auto blade feature reduces trial and error. Affordable. Powerful design software with wireless functionality. Number 3. Cricut Maker Vinyl Cutter for Crafts. This vinyl cutting machine from Cricut is the smartest, fastest and most powerful Cricut vinyl cutter I've been able to review, as it boasts a lot of improvements over its predecessors. This Cricut vinyl cutter can cut 300 and more materials including balsa, paper, vinyl, etc., with astounding precision and agility. It can even cut delicate materials like fabrics and sewing patterns, as well as tough materials, up to 2.4 mm thick, like basswood, leather, mat board, while placing more creative possibilities than you can imagine at your fingertips, thanks to its max blade pressure of 350 grams. The machine features a beautiful and portable desktop design with a storage cup for your blades and docking spot for your tablet or smartphone. That means it'll help you save space and allow you to work in a small workspace. Positive side of this product: support a wide variety of materials. Features a game-changing sewing pattern library. Good value for money and supports all past and future Cricut tools. Sleek and stylish design. Number 4. Silhouette America Silhouette Portrait 3. The Portrait 3 is blessed with the auto blade and automatic tool detection, which makes the cutting setup incredibly easy. Seriously, even the least tech-savvy person will be able to get on board. With these tools, the Portrait will automatically detect what tool you're using and adjust its settings accordingly. Likewise, the auto blade will calibrate itself automatically once you've selected the material you're using in Silhouette Studio. This means more accurate and efficient cuts. The Portrait 3 is also super versatile and able to work with a variety of different materials, much like the Cameo 4, thanks to its impressive 2 mm cutting clearance. It's also compatible with print and cut and pick scan. If you like to craft when you travel or take your cutting machine to friends and family's houses, then this is a real advantage to the Portrait 3. Positive side of this product: compact and portable. Matless cutting capabilities. Number 5. Cricut Joy Vinyl Cutter. Cricut Joy is the latest and most compact Cricut vinyl cutting machine so far. Like its predecessors, Cricut Joy allows you to customize your designs using a wide variety of line weights and pen types. The right doodle and draw functions can achieve any shapes, patterns, letters, numbers, objects and more. The newest function is that it can work with longer materials and can produce continuous cuts without a cutting mat. The machine can cut a single image that measures up to 4 feet long and 4 inches wide, or create repeated cuts up to 20 feet long. The machine has Bluetooth built in, so you can design anywhere. This also eliminates the need for extra connections and cables. Positive side of this product: light and portable. Compatible with most heat transfer vinyl brands. Comes in a variety of sizes. Gives professional results. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.